Hello everyone, my name is Chai Chaikeo from the Educational Technology and Communication Program, Faculty of Education, Thaksin University. Today I'm very excited to share some insight with you. But before we dive to our main topic, I want to invite you to think about two simple questions. Pick a classroom for 20 years ago. Now picture a classroom today. We see smartphone, tablet, and smartboard everywhere. But ask yourself, have the way students learn actually changed, or are we simplifying using expensive digital screen instead or traditional chalkboard? Today, let's explore with true digital integration in educational really look like. The integration of digital technology in foundational education is not just a simplified technological upgrade, it's a proposed shift in how we teach history. School we just place that help information and teachers simplify transparency that knowledge through digital integration means thoughtfully embedding technology to change to the classroom into interactive student changes space. Look at primary education. Young children learn best through concept experience, therefore digital tool for young learning shouldn't be about complex software. They should emphasize play-based learning and visual interactive. Using the theory calling constructivism, we can use interactive to the gamify math puzzle to help students actively build their own knowledge rather than just memory to face. As students grow and transition to lower secondary school that develop abstract resorting and design to independent, here the technology must evolve. We shift our focus to project-based learning or PBL by using collaborating digital platform. Students investigate real-world problem and create their own content. Technology help them move from being passive consumer for consumer of information to active creator. One of the most exciting tool we have today is artificial intelligence. The on one side, first all, teaching model often fail because every student learn at different pace. AI solve this by hiding personalized learning environment. It can adjust difficulty of a learning of a lesson in real time based on student needs, acting and triad individual tutor that support students without over overmind them. Will ask this technology you might wonder what happened to the teacher. The truth is the process of device doesn't guarantee learning. The teacher pedagogical expert, expertise experience thus teacher must transition from begin success on the stage to guide to the side to successfully make this shift. Education needs strong support system, innovative approaches like Blended supervision, which combine face-to-face mentoring with digital coaching, are critical to help teachers effectively use this to foster higher order thinking. However, all of these wonderful benefits and third, by digital device, this is not just about who's old a computer, it's about the homework gap when we assign digital project. Students without high-speed internet at home are systematically disallowed to fix this. We need communicate community partnership like providing subsidized Wi-Fi and 1.1 device learning programs that bring internet access and a fundamental educational utility and ethical application. Its a conclusion suggests for digital integration require a holistic approach. It must be anchored in strong educational theory, tailor the development state of the student by combining interactive learning, personalized AI, strong teacher supervision, and commitment to equal access. We can ensure that technology act as a accelerator from student potential rather than an replacement for human connection. Thank you.